How to edit audios in TikTok. Editing audios in TikTok allows you to enhance your video content, customize sound effects, or create a unique audio experience to engage your audience. Now here's how we are going to do it. I'm just going to open my TikTok app, and from here I'm going to tap this plus sign here in order to start creating a post. I'm going to upload something. Alright, say for example this one here. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is click the edit button, and then I'm going to add a sound. So I can add any sound that I want. Say for example for this tutorial, I'm going to search for this one, Cream Zone. Alright, and then I'm going to click this check mark here, and there you go. So now I've added the audio. Now in terms of editing on TikTok, this is actually quite limited. You can only do two things. First, you can just click this here in order to adjust the audio, like when do you want it to start, how long do you want the audio to be, and things like that. So say for example, this is how long I want the audio is going to be. I'm just going to tap save. Alright, there you go. So as you can see, there's no audio in the beginning. I have the audio set for later. I'm just going to drag this one here. Okay, there you go. So now I've dragged it back to the first part. Now another edit that you can do with audio is just this one. Again, tap on the audio and then adjust the volume by tapping this one. So yes, you can do this one. You can make the audio louder, or you can also make it a little less loud. And then once you're done, you can just click save. And yes, that is how you're going to edit audios on TikTok. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if it helps you out.